Oh my god.
Send one shot right. Send one shot right.
I'm trying to heal. I'm trying. Uh-oh.
Oh my god! You just see that?
Oh. It's gonna get melted though.
Got it already. Shit. Bashing up top behind. Oh, dead.
Oh, that's my hook. Oh, that hook range is crazy.
God, she ran away.
I got booped when I hooked him.
He wants me. Yeah, bitch. Oh, they res him.
I got the widow.
Oh, I forgot I'm invulnerable. Soldier's flanking. Don't worry, guys.
Jump with the widow. She's right
Bro, how
there.
did it get instantly rezzed? I just killed him! Like 1 second after.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
How did it get instantly rezzed? Was it the ult?
Yeah, welcome to Overwatch 1.
Widow's flipping the window.
Steppy. Yep.
Oh, these fucking turrets are crazy.
They do a lot of damage.
Mercy's up here. Mercy's top right, up here.
Oh, I can't get in.
What up?
Damn, bro.
Damn it.
I'm reloading.
Push it,
Push
push
Better
it,
use res. No way for it.
push it. Lucio Boobama.
I got the res off. My page for it.
No, the fucking Bastion, man.
How is it still
Nice.
contested?
Nice. Oh, did my res from the
Mercy
game?
one,
Did my res from the game?
Let's freaking go, man.
Easy. Mute?
Where does Torb get a scrap?
Enemies.
From what?
Dead enemies.
Oh, okay.
Ow.
Oh, the Roadhog right click feels so good.
Thank you.
That Honda was weak up there. I can't get him out.
Oh, I missed the freaking meat shot on. I once shot at that Honda.
I hear
with the Roadhog right click.
We got Carl.
Can't reach.
Ow. This is a bitch, dude. Get him, Junkrat. Get him.
Oh,
Get her.
Dude, I can't reach him. Jesus. How?
There's a top on the fucking thing. Oh. Rat.
Oh, Zarya cooks, man.
damn it, I missed. I need help.
Oh, yeah, my bubble.
Push, push, push. Hey, building that turret. Oh, you almost got her.
Can't reach her.
Yeah, I can't get to you guys.
Oh god, Nick.
It just does no damage. Holy Christ.
Oh my god.
Roadhog Gold did no damage to Bass.
Nice.
Nice, Seppi. Fuck the monsters, dude. Fucking bitches.
Hell yeah.
Ready for action.
Ow.
threw some armor down there, Nate.
Should have brushed you, wouldn't let me. Hands up top.
He miss you.
Oh wait, we have pings. This isn't classic Overwatch. Oh yep, I knew she was gonna do it eventually. Oh, Akbar over here.
Oh, you have no heals. Coming then.
Everyone's group up.
Damn it, I'm dead.
I'll get a big group res. On point.
You have your ult, Nick?
Close. Yeah,
What is my ult again?
well,
I know it
Maybe
makes
she's
level
the
3
funniest.
for... There's armor there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What happened to his ult? Why'd it
I
disappear?
don't know.
Hey, you
Probably
switch characters.
Smash is over.
Is he in the... Can I hit him?
Oh, watch out, he's up there.
Oh my god, I got Bastion, but I got scattered. Or headshotted. Oh my gosh.
Oh, heal set right? Okay.
Hit them around the corner. Rudolph.
Almost had my ult again, you don't care, Nick?
Yeah, I'm close. I'm gonna play in this room, but I got it. Hey, first
110.
Mercy went up top.
Oh. Jay, how'd you get up there? How was the elevator?
You got ulted.
Oh, why was so...
They got mollywopped. Jesus.
Zen is dumb.
That's not
I
right.
forgot how dumb Zenyatta was.
No! Oh, I reload, man.
What the hell just happened? Hanzo, ow ow. Oh, Hanzo, ow ow ow.
If you had your sexual awakening due to a family member, you just might be a redneck.
Jay's crazy. Jay's crazy!
Oh, I can't get close enough without the Hanzo.
You got anything Twiggler?
Ooh.
No! No! He's the one! Please! Please!
Oh, well.
Oh, dude. That I ran out of ammo. I had to punch him like 100 times. That's unfortunate. Oh, I got... Dude. I got stunned. Fucked.
Oh.
No, I got fanned and fucking scattered, dude.
Not our map. Aww. I don't know.
I got mercy.
Flag capture.
Oh my god, that's so annoying. J peek, please. J peek, please.
You're gonna get...
Please, please.
You're gonna get...
No, he didn't have.
God, that stun is so powerful, man. He just rolls into my fucking whole hog and kills me.
I don't think his other Roadhog has hit a hook.
Oh, I almost got him again.
Buddy. Oh my god, dude. He got pinged.
I got
Oh,
mercy.
walk on top. I pinged him. Try to hit him next.
Come on, I think I ran him garbage.
It's hitting me through the
Harry
ground,
nearly
man.
one-shots me.
Oh god.
Not even near me.
Oh,
Not near second. Yeah. I'm coming to res. Fast res.
oh, Trud.
No! Fucking
Dude, Lucio feels like such ass to play now.
Ow, Hanzo the right or something? I don't fucking know where he is. Oh my god.
Damn. No.
Don't know what you need
God damn it.
How did I miss, man? He's gonna freeze me! I need help! Help me! Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh my god!
What?
You don't know what you need to know.
Help! Help! He's gonna stun me! Kill me! Oh!
There ain't nothing that's gonna heal you through that bubble.
I'll save our widow.
I'm gonna miss, dude.
Coming for heals.
The Mercy one, or me one.
Step Rider.
Heroes never die.
That.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah. You can one-shot me.
Nice.
Shit on.
Step Rider.
Огонь по готовности. Heroes
Ah!
never die.
Why is that so loud?
Score 1-1.
Oh, you guys are rolled up.
Ah, damn, dude. Gonna try to freeze me?
Oh, nice.
Oh my god, I hit the little wall.
He's in behind you.
You like freezing little kids? Trying to freeze me? Han's over here where I pinged. I think he ran away. No, he's right in there. I see him.
Holy crap.
Fuck this cat.
You man.
Oh. Oh god.
I might die. Oh, he's running. No!
Nice
I
headshot.
should have hooked
Oh god!
first.
Oh god! Thank you.
Hanzo, no.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, I got stunned.
Oh my god, that fucking thing is crazy.
Damn it.
Step Rider.
Огонь по готовности.
No! That's fine. Oh, Lucius Boop didn't get buffed yet. I forgot about that. I
Oh, you gotta stand
thought I
in
could
front
boop that dude across the map. Who said GG's? That is cringe.
Backup requested at the objective.
It's a new